This has been a very personal journey to me, and it started long before I thought about VOYLOK boots. I think my point of departure was thinking, how much of the stuff that surrounds us in life do we really need? Anyone who lives in the city these days, we probably have too much, even when we think we don't have enough, even when we think we have too little. So my personal quest has been, can you live a good life today with far, far less? It's about experiences. It's about your relationship with people. It's about your discovery of the world. And it's about simplifying your life in a meaningful way. This is definitely about doing more with less, but this is also about being joyful in a true and meaningful way. There's this huge blank spot on the map of the world called Russia. And it seems that it only delivers bad news in the media today. Well, we all know that couldn't possibly be true, right? There isn't a country in the world that is only bad news, and Russia is definitely not one of them. It's a wonderful place, full of wonderful people, incredible culture that the world doesn't know about. Well, I think knowledge is power. So this is the piece of knowledge we bring to it. We will show you exactly how the VOYLOKs are made and the beautiful people who are making them. And I hope you enjoy this journey as much as I have. A young woman in Soligalich named Olesya brought back from the brink an old Valenki factory, which existed who knows how long, 100 years, 200 years, but it was on the brink of extinction. And here we are, making the first batch of VOYLOKs as we speak, and hoping to give the Soligalich Valenki workshop a new lease of life, introduce the world to the incredible craftsmanship that people in Soligalich are able to implement and create the beautiful, beautiful footwear with just wool, hot water, and the incredible craftsmanship of their very skillful hands. So thank you, Olesya. Thank you for letting us in. Thank you for working with us and advising us on how to bring this heritage traditional footwear into the 21st century and how to introduce the VOYLOK boots into the world.